Hello, I'm Nikki from Howard's Peugeot in Yeovil. I'd like to introduce you to this Peugeot partner van. This vehicle comes with a really useful specification. You've got a DAB digital radio with auxiliary connections for MP3 devices. You've also got front electric windows along with front electric mirrors and air conditioning. You've also got cruise control. Let's take a quick look around the van. Thank you for watching this video. All of our vehicles come with a multi-point check as well as a full service history. But if you would like any more information about this or any of our vehicles, please get in touch and someone will be more than happy to assist you. Thank you and have a good day.